In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Microsoft Edge as default browser. By the end, your favorite browser will open whenever you click a link or launch a web page without uninstalling Edge or changing anything else you rely on. First, open the Windows Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key plus the letter I on your keyboard. If you prefer clicking, select the Start button, then choose the Settings gear icon. This takes you to the central place where Windows manages apps, defaults, and system preferences. Next, head to the Apps section. On the left side of the Settings window, click Apps, then choose Default Apps. This is where Windows decides which program opens different types of files and links. Changing your default browser here tells Windows to send web links to the browser you prefer, rather than Edge. In the search bar at the top labeled Set Defaults for Applications, type the name of the browser you want to use. For example, you might type Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or another browser you've installed. If it doesn't appear, make sure that browser is installed and up to date. You only need to type a few letters before it shows up in the results. Click your browser in the results to open its default settings page. At the top, you should see a button that says Set Default next to Make Browser Name your default browser. Go ahead and click that. Windows will update the key web-related associations such as opening HTTP and HTTPS links, so everyday browsing and most links from apps like email or chat will now open in your chosen browser. This is the fastest way to switch without digging through each file type one by one. A few quick tips before you close settings. If you don't see the Set Default button, double-check that the browser is properly installed and has been opened at least once. Some browsers only appear after their first launch. Also, note that this change doesn't remove Edge from your PC. It simply tells Windows to use your chosen browser by default. Edge may still appear for certain Windows features, but your regular links and web pages will now open where you want them. That's it. Your default browser is set. The next time you click a link, Windows should open it in your preferred browser automatically. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these steps and pick a different browser. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more consistent browsing experience on Windows.